We're all set. Going to the machine shop. Block stripped. No cam bearings, no nothing. Ready to go. If you're going to do your own engine rebuild and you need machine work, this video will explain a little bit about what you need to do before you drop it off at the machine shop. First, find a reputable shop with a good reputation. Get pricing up front so you don't have sticker shock. Ask for a timeline because sometimes you just can't wait. Explain your goals, make sure everyone's on the same page, take their advice, and be realistic. If you don't have an engine stand, get yourself one. Link in the description. They're about 90 bucks shipped to your door. First, before you start your teardown, take all the sensors off. Them things can get expensive, and you're just about guaranteed to break them. I got this engine out of a wrecked 2001 3/4 ton Suburban that I got a smoking deal on. There she goes. Whee! While you're tearing everything down, put it in boxes, label it, go ahead and clean it up. Otherwise, it'll fall into a black hole, never to be found. Here I'm pulling out the dowel pin that got stuck in the head. I keep those and don't send them to the machine shop also. Just something else that could get lost. If you don't have a parts washer or a way to get your parts all clean, you can drop everything off at the machine shop with the engine. They can hot tank it and they come back shiny new. Lately I've been using an ultrasonic parts cleaner I got off Amazon to clean a bunch of the small stuff. I'll leave a link in the description in case you're interested. These pistons and rods are not getting reused, so I'm just throwing them in a box, maybe for a later project, who knows. If you're reusing yours, go ahead and mark them. You can engrave them, stamp them, paint them, do whatever. It's always best to put them back where they came from. These parts coming off now you don't want to reuse. Oil pump, timing chain, and the camshaft retainer plate. Keep the bolts, toss the parts, and get new ones. Here's something else I don't reuse is lifters. They're just too cheap nowadays. You can pick up for a couple $100 a set from Summit. Got the retainers and everything, and I've had real good luck with them. Again, link in the description. I like to do my own cam bearings, but if you don't have the tools and the experience, just let the machine shop do that for you. Broken bolts in an LS head, who would have guessed it? I always do them myself, but the machine shop can do it for you. We're all set. Go in the machine machine shop. Lock stripped, no cam bearings, no nothing, ready to go. And what we're going from Gen 3, press fit pins, little bitty thin rods, to Gen 4, fat boys, floating pins, and we've got a set of hard anodized 20 over pistons that are flat top.